the season to go shopping. The holiday shopping season returns to downtown El Segundo tonight after a difficult year due to the COVID-19 pandemic. Local businesses are eager to welcome back visitors tonight with a fun-filled evening sponsored by the local Chamber of Commerce. The Downtown Holiday Open House was started several years ago when local businesses banded together to market their products and services to holiday shoppers. Their goal was to bring visitors, neighbors, friends and family members to downtown El Segundo to shop at the local stores, dine at restaurants and bars, and enjoy all the perks that small businesses have to offer.
The last year and a half was so difficult for our small business owners, as we all know. They went through terrible times. So it's never more important now to support our local our backyard businesses and restaurants. And we have some really incredible, cool places in town that people don't even know about. We wanted the families to come out and have a wonderful evening too and get the kids involved. So we have an elf scavenger hunt tonight. There's about 20 businesses participating, as is the chamber. And the kids can come into businesses and look for the elf, wherever it might be. And they get a little treat. A year ago was a very different story. We didn't have the open house and we were all locked down. And now just to see the smiles on each other's faces, to hug someone, to say, hey, I haven't seen you in a while, and run into each other on Main Street is really joyous.
So we have kids come by, we've hidden an elf in the restaurant. They've got to come find it, the little scavenger hunt. It's really fun. The kids, they do this every year and it's really, really fun for the kids. And we give away Mexican wedding cookies when they find the elf. Well, we're finally getting back into the swing of holiday season with larger parties booking, and we're just really happy that we've been supported by the community so much throughout this whole pandemic for the last year and a half, and we really, really just appreciate the community's support in this. And people are getting back out. They're having fun. We've got a great patio, so everybody feels comfortable. We've got heaters, and we just hope moving forward things get a little more back to normal and people enjoy eating out again and socializing. And we love our regulars. We love the new people coming in. And it's just really exciting to have a full restaurant again.
Well, Industrial Locket Security has been here since 1977, and the name Industrial actually came from the previous owners owned South Bay Industrial Hardware on Grand. Well, tonight is the Downtown Holiday Open House, so they've asked businesses to stay open from 5 to 8 o'clock. If you have an elf, hide it somewhere, and if kids come and find it, you can give them candy or give them candy for any reason that you want. There's a lot happening at the Chamber office right now. There's people down there. The Bell Choir was out in front of the Chamber office at City Hall Plaza. They were lighting the menorah. Tree lighting was last night. So they wanted to get people out and into the stores and walking around, and that's what tonight is about. I love the face of Main Street. I have been the Rotary president twice. I'm now in my third stint of Chamber of Commerce president. So I love the activity, the attention, Main Street, the walk-in, the customers. I've been here long enough that know so many people's name and they know me. And just this town is amazing and small and supportive. And, every day coming to work is like a smile as I drive down Main Street.
So right now we're at Locket Gym. We're brand new in El Segundo. This is the one place where you can train strongman, get a hold on some Atlas stones, some yoke carries, some farmers, all the stuff that these guys are doing on TV, like pulling airplanes, lifting cars. That's what we train for here. I myself am a professional strongman competitor and also 2019's World's Strongest Man. So I opened up this space to teach people what I do. As a new business in El Segundo, I'm just so excited. When I was looking for a place to put my gym, I was driving to Manhattan Beach thinking that's where it would be. But I was ended up driving through Main Street here in El Segundo. I had no idea how nice El Segundo is. I was pleasantly surprised, saw that this place was open, and immediately thought, okay, there's all these nice coffee shops. I love lattes myself and love going to Blue Butterfly Cafe. So I put my gym here, and I love that it's like a small town vibe in a big city. It's got all the perks of the big city, and it's got a nice, quaint community vibe here. And I'm also excited to just be part of this holiday open house because all these new businesses like my own, get a chance to show you guys what we're about. So here we got these old wooden farmers with handles on them. They're 120 pounds apiece. You can put weights on here. I sometimes train up to 400 pounds without these babies, and we got them going all the way up to 420 pounds. Sandbags of all sorts of weights here. And then finally, somewhere around here, I believe there's an elf on a squat rack. Yeah, there he is. That's our beautiful elf. He makes sure this place keeps running.
So this is a great place where females could come in and drop off their husbands, so they could get some time off too to go shopping with the girls and whatnot. So this is where they could leave them and we'll take good care of them, and So what we sell here at the shop, of course, we sell plenty of cigars, as you can see, left and right, accessories for cigars, pipe tobacco and tobacco itself with accessories and all that good stuff. And also what we're doing for the holidays is that we have here this special table. If you wanted to take a look at that, we have this special table with accessories and gift sets and everything discounted at a good rate, and also a great gift to give to that loved one for cigars. So we are happy to participate in the El Segundo Elf Hunt, so be sure to stop by at Cigars and More to look for the hidden elf, which he'll have some surprise for you.
Bike Aroma is a neighborhood bike shop. We do a lot of child bikes and just more casual bike riding, nothing too high end, but we do a lot of work for the local community. So we like to help out and make people happy. So tonight we're actually working late to be able to have a lot of the community in, a lot of the kids, and they're able to come in and look for an elf on the shelf, which is actually mixed in the shop somewhere. And if they find it, we just give them some candy and have a nice conversation and talk to their parents about what we're offering. We're just trying to supply, pure happiness that cycling can bring to families and to communities, bringing people together. And at a time like this, which, finally things are opening again and allowing people to get back together safely, we're just trying to, make people happy.
The El Segundo Holiday Open House was a big success tonight, bringing together the community after a long year apart. From all of us to all of you, we wish everyone a happy and safe holiday shopping season. For El Segundo Media, I'm Natasha Gascon.